Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick restoration video. I found this Jerrica Gem in the Holograms doll, and I found this at the Goodwill outlet. Originally she did not come with her clothes. I bought those separately. She was in rough shape when I first got her, mostly due to her hair. If you guys would like to see a visual tutorial on how the hair is treated, feel free to go to my My Little Pony restoration video. I'll have that linked below for you guys. Her hair definitely still has some frizz to it, but it's in a lot better condition, especially with all these curls. I did alter her bangs just a little bit, mostly just to give her some more style. So here's a picture of what she looked like originally. As you can see, her hair is very frizzy. Then I let her soak in the sink with some conditioner in her hair for about an hour. When the conditioner set into the hair a little bit more, I combed it out in sections. And then after I rinsed out the conditioner the next day, I put them up in these straws, as you can see, with a little rubber band to keep them in place. The way I got her bangs to stay as they are was by cutting them at an angle and then putting a rubber band around her hair to secure it. She does have a small chip in her shoulder, as you can see, and from the front it's hard to tell, but her hair did turn out very curly. I did go through and style it just a little bit, but I think from the before picture she looks way better and her hair is way shinier. And here she is in her original outfit. She is originally supposed to come with tights as well and a pair of shoes. She looks so cute now that she's a part of the collection. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I will talk to you all later. Bye.